Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are feeling awesome, so stay awesome. This will be my final video for the RX 6800 as I'm returning it to AMD. In this video, just a number of things to share. There's no recording over this one, but I'm going to share to you the performance differences and even comparing it to AMD's own numbers, of which I can tell you that AMD is transparent and the numbers they provide is it's actually accurate, at least in my book, to my experience. So first off, I'm going to show you this chart. So this is the performance difference between the 3600 XT and the 5600X tuned and overclocked. You can see that the performance difference is there. It's quite a gap. Why do I have to overclock and tune the memory? You see, in AMD's reviewer guide, it seems that they are using the 5900X. Compare that to the 5600X that they provided me as a world of difference. The 5900X, at least based on what I've seen in reviews, could hit almost 5 GHz on single boost clock. 5600X, its rated boost clock is 4.6 only, and admittedly I did not record what's the highest I saw, but it wouldn't be reaching the 5900X's level. So with the base, even the boost clock at 4.6 is low, and the core count is just half of the 5900X. So in order to get the numbers, to make sure that the numbers are better, I had to level the playing field, and also with the reason that I want to get the best I can out of the card. So I did what I can. 4.8 GHz all cores and memory at 3733 CL14 with subtimings tuned. That will level quite some playing field against a 5900X with a 3200 MHz XMP. So you will see instances where it will perform better and instances where it's not as good. So this is the benchmark of my numbers against AMD's numbers, which I think is quite close, and as you can see, in some games they do trade blows. In fact, for Dirt 5 it really outperformed AMD's numbers, but I don't blame AMD, probably because they use a certain setting of which I found in Dirt 5 that hampers the performance, and if you set the specific resolution correctly, you will get performance gains. Now up next, I want to show you the performance gain I get from what it is that I first shown you, which is the overclock and tuned with the RX 6800, and then there are 3 more that I want to show you, which you will see in this chart. So you see that there's one with the smart access memory enabled, one with the graphics card overclock, and the last one, the highest performing one, is the one with the tune system with the smart access memory and with the overclock all coming. As you can see, the performance gains is huge. And let's move on to the final chart, of which I think could actually intrigue you. Now this is the number I got versus the provided number for the RX 6800 XT. Yep, it's really close. On some titles, it's actually matching or outperforming it. Well, I'm not surprised. Basically, the RX 6800 has a lot of potential. As you can see, my numbers from the RX 6800 versus AMD's numbers for the RX 6800 XT. Woo! So, alright, that's it for this video. I hope it's informative. So if you have this card, you can get a lot more out of it by making changes, fine-tuning your system. Alright, that's all for now. I hope this video is informative to you. And if you like this, you know what to do. Share, subscribe. I need all the help I can get to help me grow this tiny channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.